Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Alifia Zakira Zahra and I'm from Group 5. So in this video I will present the material that we have chosen. So the material that we chosen are verbal and nominal sentences. So what is verbal sentences? Verbal sentences are sentences that describe an activity or action. So a verbal sentence is actually a type of sentence that explains a verb, whether it's an activity done in the past, present, or an activity done in the future. So now is verbal sentences formula. First is subject plus verb plus object, complement, or adverb. The example of verbal sentences. So in this verbal sentence, the subject is the verb. Here is an example of verbal sentences in English. She reads a book every day. They are playing football now, and he wrote a letter last night. Now is nominal sentences. So what is nominal sentences? Nominal sentences are sentences that explain identity or describe a certain situation. For example, a sentence that explains someone's name, someone's location, and someone's nature and the like. Unlike verbal sentences that explain verb, these nominal sentences do not explain activities. Characteristics of nominal sentences in English are usually accompanied by a definitive to be such is, am, are, were, and also were. That to be, then the to be is also accompanied by a noun, adjective, or preposition. The easiest feature to recognize is there is no verb in the sentence. The nominal sentences formula. There is subject plus to be plus noun, adjective, adverb. Examples of the sentences. Examples of nominal sentences in English is she is a teacher, they are happy, I am at home. So she is a teacher is a nominal sentence for noun, they are happy is adjective, and I am at home is adverb of place. Question of verbal sentences. Read the sentence and identify whether it is true or false. He writes report every morning. So identify the correct verb form to complete the sentence. Neither the manager nor the employees were of the changes in policy. A was, B were, C is, and D be. So the first question is E. The answer is E. And the second, the sentence is true. So questions, nominal sentences. So choose the correct form of the sentences using nominal structure. The result of the experiment, blah blah blah, quite surprising. A is, B are, C were, and D has been. So, and the second question is read the sentence and identify whether it is true or false. The sentence she is happy today is a verbal sentence. Is it true or false? So the first one is C, were, and the second is false. So it is not a verbal sentence. Example words from verbal and nominal. Verbal, run, eat, study, write, walk, etc. And nominal, teacher, chair, book, laptop, table, etc. And the conclusion is verbal sentences describes actions or activities with the main focus being the verb, while nominal sentences define identities or situations without involving actions. The key distraction lies in verbal sentences explaining what happens, and nominal sentences describing what is. So thank you. That's from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.